Yeah, what's up, guys? Okay, cool. Yeah, it's 11 past 1, and we're just on the markets today. We're gonna see what's been going on. Can't lie, guys. I don't think I want to make a trade today, just purely based on the fact that I know where I'm kind of going wrong on certain things. Like, for example, I know I need more education, but I also know that I need to backtest more. So I need to educate myself more, study a lot more of these candles, just understand, like, market structure, how the banks are moving money. Um yeah, there's so much that I still need to get, like, that I don't get. I need to get on top of that. Um and then with the back testing as well, like, I know back testing is very important, and I've just been live trading. And I know backtesting will accelerate my learning curve tenfold. Like, I just know it. But yeah, I just haven't been doing that. I mean, I've been going back and looking at certain charts. Like, I was looking at a few charts the other day. So obviously my main ones are GBP USD, GBP JPY, GBP AUD, gold. Even though I hardly trade that one. Uh, I tried Euro USD. I didn't like what Euro USD was showing me. Even on a low key, that looks like it's clear support, clear resistance. Sorry, clear trend line. And look at that, it broke it, but that was in 2015. That's a big one. Yeah, that was in 2015. Making a downwards trend. You get the gist. Like, boom, touch, boom, touch, boom, touch, boom, broke through, came up, retouched. But yeah, I'm not liking Euro USD. Um, I'm starting off with clean charts. Let me do clean charts. Clean charts. Odd can stay. Yeah, USD JPY. Yeah, I've been liking the look of USD JPY. I'm not gonna lie. I do not want to lie, because I've been going back in time. I went as far back as, I think, November the 12th. Just this weekend. So obviously this weekend was from the 11th of June to the 13th of June. So this weekend I was going back, and I could go back as far back as 13th of November, 15th of November. So that's a good, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 months. 8 months of back testing, you know? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And not only just that, the thing is, I'd be doing that several times. I wouldn't be just doing that like once. Like, for example, USD JPY, I kind of realized that I kind of like it because Swaggy C said in one of his videos, he said he didn't like certain pairs because he couldn't predict where it was gonna go. And yeah, I completely agree with that. Like with Euro USD, I was so confused. I did not know where that was gonna go. Like, I predicted that it was gonna go down, it went up. When I predicted it was gonna go up, it went down. I didn't understand it. But USD JPY, on the other hand, was a lot more understandable. Just a lot more understandable. Anyway, yeah, let's look at the news, see what the news is saying real quick. This is gonna be a short session, I hope. I just wanted to come, It's better to show up than not to show up, I guess. That'll he do the most. Okay, dollar firms in big week at forex markets. Pound struggles. Dollar largely flat. Fed meeting looms large. Dollar set to snap losing streak after swagger returns ahead of Fed meeting. Okay. Dollar looks stronger as euro and sterling dip. It's interesting. It's crazy how the dollar last week was looking weak, but now it's becoming stronger. Euro JPY price penetrates 133.2 support level. Sellers may continue dominating Euro JPY market. South Africa sells majority of state airline to private entities. Okay, so now we're looking like way back. That's way back. So I'm getting the overall feel of the market is that the dollar is doing well. Where's this calendar? Because the thing is, I want to look at this calendar, the economic calendar. Okay, so industrial production, JPY 2.9%. That's good, I guess. Actual GBP USD, previous 35.1%, 43.2% now. I have no idea what they mean, but I'm just getting that experience, just just trying to read this stuff so I can just kind of understand it. Let's see what it's saying here. Euro on a 5-minute chart, they're saying that Euro USD is a good buy, but obviously I don't wanna. Let's go on 5 hours, 4 hours. So they're saying Euro USD strong sell, GBP JPY. Okay, I clicked on GBP USD. GBP USD bounces off 1 month lows, steadies around 1.41 mark. US May retail sales preview, analyzing major pairs, reaction to previous releases. GBP USD could start a move up after order. Block retest. Okay. Opening bell. Will the US dollar rebound continue? Okay, now this is good to see actually. I'm glad I clicked on this. Okay, because it gives you information about the actual currency that you're looking for. So the reason I did the 5 hours is because it's a lot more, the bigger the time frame, the better. So strong sell on Euro USD, strong buy on GBP USD, USD JPY strong buy, old USD strong buy, USD. So what I don't understand is, why is it all of these on the USD are strong buys, but on the Euro USD it's looking like a sell? That don't make no sense. What's going on with the news in Euro USD? US futures edge higher. Fed meeting limits activity. Euro USD to bask a recovery as inflation monster is not as scary as it seems. Euro USD to suffer further weakness towards the 1.206551 support area. Okay. Anyway, let's get to the charts. The way it's looking, apparently the US is doing okay. Okay, so Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, let's get back into the chart. So okay. So let's look at. I'm gonna look at USD JPY. I know I should be looking at my main chart patterns. Okay, let's have a look at it. Just quickly have a look. Thing is, I'm tired of trading GBP USD. Very slow pair, and still in that consolidation range as well. Still in that weird consolidation range. Maybe I might draw like a rectangle there. So I know what's going on here. I know what's going on here. So the top over there is the resistance point. The bottom over here, so it's gonna do something. I don't know if it's gonna break out but it will do something definitely. I should start getting comfortable with the 5-minute chart, by the way, as well, because with my back testing, I can only go back a month on the 1-minute chart, which is kind of annoying, but it is what it is. So I want to get comfortable with the 5-minute chart. A lot of people trade the 5-minute chart like that's. In fact, a lot of people enter in on the 15-minute, and a lot of people enter in the 5-minute. It's just interesting because Okay, let me tell you the reason I picked all of these ones. So, monthly is bigger than the weekly, right? So there are 4 weeks in 1 month. Look, 4 weeks in 1 month. Cool. Weekly is bigger than the daily. There are 7 days in 1 week. Cool. And the reason I have these bigger time frames is that sometimes on the daily you'll look and you'll see this, like for example, this is the highest point on the chart, but you go to the weekly, you'll find that there's other higher points, back in 2018, but you can't see 2018. You can only see it up to April 2020. And okay, but anyway, yeah, you get the gist. So 7 days in a week, 4 hours. So 1 day is 24 hours. This is 4 hours, so that's a significant drop. So it's kind of zoom in a little bit. It kind of tells you what's going on within that week. Yeah, within that week, what's happened within that week. The 4 hour tells you what's happened within that week, and then the 1 hour tells you what's happening. It tells you what's happening. Look, that's crazy. Look, boom, 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 resistance, touch, boom, 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 boom. Okay, I should be watching GBP USD today. So yeah, 1 hour, times 4 is 4 hours. 15-minute times 4 is 1 hour. And then 5-minute times 3 is 15 minutes. So 5 times 3, 15. 15 times 4, 1 hour. 1 hour times 4, 4 hours. 4 hours times 6, 24 hours daily. What do you call it? 1 day times 7. 1 week. 7 times 4 is 28. It would be more like 4.3 to make 31 days or whatever, 30.5. Let me just double check that. I'm conscious about my maths. Yeah, something like that. We'll say 4. Yeah, so around 14.3. 3.5, 3.6, 3.5, around 3.5. Y'all get the point anyway. So yeah, look, GBP is quite something going on here. What would I be looking at? The thing is, I don't want to have any bias. I don't want to predict that. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a buy or sell. That's silly. I don't want to predict that. What I do know is this right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is an important resistance point. I know that for a fact. And I know this is important support zone. So it touched there, came back down. Should even delete the rectangle to make this clearer. So that's clear. Make it red. Just to remind myself that that's gonna be like a. Should make it bright green. Yes, make it bright green. Yeah, makes a bit more sense. But yeah, they have there's even little middle zones here as well. There's a little look. You see this resistance point, middle resistance point? Look, 1, 2, 3. Didn't really touch it there, but it touched it here and here and here. That's an interesting one as well. So we'll put a little thing there. So it's gonna reach this point. If I was to have a bias, I'd say I'd be looking for a sell. It's obviously going to the upside, yeah. But yeah, we'll keep that to the side for a bit. GBP JPY. Let's look at GBP JPY. If you remember this, I know I should only have clean chart patterns, but that makes it so much easier just having this chart pattern. This looks like a strong buy. Only because we got a lower high. Look at that. Draw a trend line from here to here. Oh, lower high. So you kind of be looking for like a breakout or something. Or look at the pattern it's making. If we take this out. Okay, let's not take that out. If we just decided, cool. It's crazy how the patterns are made within each other. And then look at that. We all know what pattern that is. It's a good old symmetrical triangle. And it's made 2 at the bottom, 3 at the top, which is a sign of a bullish pattern, right? So look, boom, touch top, boom, touch bottom. Kind of doing some weird brrr area here. Touch bottom. It's gonna go up. Yeah, I'd go for a strong sell. I meant strong buy. Definitely, especially because it created that lower high. Let's look at there. But the thing is, it's such I was gonna say all-time high. That's not a lie. But on a weekly chart, this is the highest it's been since 2016. So it broke past that point in 2018. But yeah, you'd be looking for a buy, to be honest. 1 hour. The blue line is curving, red line is curving. 15-minute. Blue line is over the red line. Yeah, I'd be looking for a buy here. I should really write my stuff down as well. I should write it down on a notepad or something where I just put buy, sell, you know. GBP USD, it's reaching up to that area. I don't want to make a decision right now. I don't know what's going to happen here. GBP ORD, let's look at GBP ORD. So we know that chart, that big chart, man. Cool. Weekly. I don't like the look of these candles. I really don't like the look of those candles. It just made me so uncomfortable. Okay, let's see what it's kind of creating. I just like drawing stuff, you know. Seeing what. I need to learn the candlesticks though, for real. because I'm playing with myself, not understanding them properly. What's this? I don't force the patterns. I just draw. I connect the dots. You know. This is a falling wedge, right? Falling wedge on a bullish pattern. Okay. It's making lower highs. Boom. 2, 3. You'd be looking for a buy here, and then you have to also factor in this chart pattern as well. This chart pattern, the thing is, I don't know what this chart pattern is trying to tell us. It's trying to tell us that it's that would be going for a sell, right? So I don't understand why it's showing bullish moves. So I don't get. Man, that's a falling wedge. Number 1, number 2, number 1, number 2. All I did was just connect the dots. Look, you can see it getting a lot shorter. See what happens there, but that's a good buy. Especially if the moving averages cross over, that'd be a very good buy. Right, slowly crossing over on the 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart. Crazy. Yeah, I'd be buying that 100%. Falling wedge. Gold. Let me not even attempt gold. Euro USD. My other pattern that I'm kind of keen on. It's doing that brr pattern again. You know, when it's just confused, it doesn't know what it wants to do. One. Am I forcing this one? No, I wouldn't say I am. It's just typical uptrend support. Yep, that's all I'm doing. Uptrend support. So it is uptrend support and downside resistance. Look, lower highs, higher lows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. What would this be? It could be anything. I'd be looking on I don't know. Let's go down before we start making predictions. Lower highs, lower lows. Making the same kind of pattern again. Kind of. Like I said, don't want to force it. All I'm doing is just connecting the dots. That's it. I'm gonna place my trades just because I don't want to make predictions and then the trade does well and then it's like, oh yeah, I predicted it but I didn't pull the trigger. So what plan is that? Hard to say. All of these patterns are triangle patterns anyway. Look, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and blue line over the red line. So 3 touches. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. But the thing is, why am I counting this? Why am I counting this one? I'm not counting that one. Maybe it's because of the wick. It's the wick. So 3 touches below, 2 touches on top. 3 touches below, 2 touches on top would be a bearish. So I don't know. It's weird. It's very weird. I don't know anyway. See what's going on GBP USD. I don't feel comfortable taking that trade just yet. GBP ORD, there's some, so GBP JPY sign is definitely gonna happen here. It's either gonna break out or come back down. That's gonna break out 100%. Blue line's over the red line as well. I should probably buy it. Yeah, probably buy it. Let's see. Yeah, wow. No, let's go. Yeah, I'll buy 100% GBP JPY. I'm confident in that one. The thing is, it's so easy to just sit on the sidelines and just say, "Oh yeah, I don't wanna buy. Let me predict." Nah. Put your money where your mouth is. Experience the real emotions. You know what I mean? What's the worst that will happen? You lose the trade. That's it. As long as I'm not doing any stupid lot sizes, I'm doing a 0.2 lot size. I know it's a bit high, but it's just, I don't like small profits. I really don't like small profits. It's just been triggering me lately. Five-minute chart. The good old 5-minute chart. What's the 1-minute chart saying? But the thing is, I shouldn't get too comfortable with a 1-minute chart. I should just look at a 5-minute chart. It's looking good. It's looking like a strong buy. We look at thingy. Let's look. What's it? I'm looking at GBP JPY, right? GBP JPY. What's the Philippine thing? Yeah, that's a strong buy, man, honestly. Stop playing around. Playing around with myself at this point. If I lose, I lose. Cool. Yeah, I put the best buy I can put. So I've done GBP JPY 0.2 lot size at 154.18, right? That's what I've done. 154.918. So I've bought in over here. I've tried to buy in over here. They're saying that it's at 154.924. So it's up there. I'm gonna get filled, definitely. It's retracing a little bit. What the hell is going on? What is going on? My order's been cancelled. What is going on? This is the fifth, sixth time this has happened. This is very, very, very frustrating. This is very frustrating. Either I need to change brokers, I need to change something, because this is very, very annoying. I'm gonna go onto capital.com and see what I can do, because that's starting to trigger me now. I'm gonna quickly deposit some funds. That is very, very annoying. Even if I lose, I lose, but just let me make the trade. That's it. Let's see what GBP USD is then. Still within that box range. Okay, anyway, you know what? Today I'll allow it. I'll allow it. I'm just gonna say the trades that I would have done. I'm gonna say them with conviction. What I would have done. So GBP JPY would have been a buy for me. It would have been a buy for me. I see these two touches here, two touches there. Downwards trend line. Yeah, just something just telling me that'd be a strong buy. I feel like the bullish pressure is good. Bounce off that clean. Go to the 15-minute. Blue line is over the red line. 5-minute, same thing. It could reverse, but my bias would be a buy here. Yeah. GBP GBP USD. It's hard to tell. I don't want to say buy or sell. I would honestly just react. But the way this is looking, that's a clear as day resistance. Broke past, came down, broke past, touched this area, broke past, touched this area, touched, broke past, retested this little support. So touch this support 1, 2, 3, 4, and touch this resistance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then touch this middle support 1, 2, 3, 4 right now. So they're all important. 1, 2, all of these bits are important. They're very, very important. So it's either gonna retest and go down, or it's gonna break out of this point to try to touch that point. What do I think? I don't know. They're saying dollar's doing well. So if the dollar's doing well, it should be going up, right? Yeah, it's doing some weird consolidation, gathering, whatever you want to call it in this area. I don't want to predict. I don't know what it's gonna do here. Okay, so GBP JPY, I said a buy, right? Let's see what happens. GBP ORD. It's highly frustrating though, like not being able to actually play, like actually getting on my patterns, just getting on these trades because of the broker that I'm using. I'm using City Index, and it's connected to MetaTrader 4. But for some weird reason, I cannot get my trades to go through. Like, why is that? Why are they doing that? It honestly feels like the broker is against me. That's how it feels. Let's go to USD JPY. USD JPY, the pattern I drew was So the main pattern, yeah, 2 touches here, 3 touches at the top, and then it create this pattern here, 2 touches at the top, 2 touches here. It's the same kind of pattern in a weird way, but this one's down. It's more of a downtrend kind of pattern. So you be looking. So that would be a bullish. Yeah, that'd be a bullish, a bullish one. This one here would be more of a, I think bullish. Yeah, bullish. It's like climbing up a little bit. I don't know USD JPY, but it's clear that I like JPY pairs because look at me. I like USD JPY and I like GBP JPY. I seem to just, but we'll see what happens after my predictions. GBP ORD, I like GBP ORD. GBP ORD it's a normal pattern. It creates a lot of patterns. I've seen so many patterns on GBP ORD. It's crazy. Like I've seen so many patterns. Touch 1, touch 2, touch 1, touch 2. But I honestly just need to backtest. That's it. I need to change my brokers. I need to change my broker. Find out why my orders are not getting filled. I need to backtest. And I just need to start live trading. That's it. I'm so desperate to make money. Like, I know it's not good to be desperate to make money because it's gonna affect your trading decisions, but it's becoming very frustrating that I want to be motivated. I want to have those incentives, you know. Yeah, falling wedge is a clear buy sign, right? But you can't enter it now unless it confirms to you with the candles, right? That's the thing. So these are my confluences, right? Okay, let's get my confluences up. So confluence number 1 is chart pattern or support and resistance. Confluence number 2 is moving average crossovers. Confluence number 3 is candlesticks. So for example, it's created the pattern, right? But I don't want to get in just now. I want to get in if there's like, if the candle show me something good. Like if there was like a big bullish engulfing pattern on the upside with the blue line over the red line, then that'd be a strong buy, right? And then that's when I'd buy in. I'm at least hoping that would happen anyway. But those are my 3 confluences. You need to have at least 3. But like I want to keep my trading as simple as possible. And I need to understand these candlesticks like the back of my hand. I need to understand trading like the back of my hand. I need to backtest and just live trade. Just keep live trading as well. But I don't think I'm that far off as I think I am. I really don't think I'm that far off. I need more practice. If there's anything that I need practice. I need to understand the game. And then once I've understood the game fully, I need to practice. And then also live trade with my actual money, get the emotions in. So yeah. But you get what I'm trying to say. Okay, boom, consolidation in this box range. Something's gonna happen. The way it's looking, you know what's interesting. I'll make a prediction. If it reverses here, if it doesn't break out here, my bias would be a sell. My bias would be a sell. Yeah, my bias would definitely be a sell. If it touches here, if it breaks out here, retests and keeps going high, I'd be looking for a buy, but I'd still want to see what it does here. But if it touches here and goes back down, that's a sell. That is a sell. The reason I'm confident it'd be more of a sell than a buy, because it's easier. I think, in my opinion, this is just my opinion. I have no like actual factual information to back it up. I haven't got any statistical information to back this up, but I feel like it's so much easier to break out on a downside than it is on the upside. Especially if you're an not all time high, but like you're at this big ass resistance point here. You know, you'd have to have like good news or something like that, in my opinion. GBP JPY. Yeah, strong buy. Like I said, strong buy. So I'd buy it. So I'd buy GBP JPY, GBP USD. If it retested it, if it bounced off this and went to the downside, sell. Definitely. If it broke past this and retested, I'd be looking for a buy. I wouldn't buy. But if it bounced off this and went down, I'd probably sell. GBP ORD, falling wedge, boom. But GBP ORD reacts to patterns well. It really does. GBP ORD reacts to patterns well. It respects the patterns. So that'd be like a buy, right? And I could see that happening, definitely. So yeah, buy this one. Buy GBP ORD. Yeah. Falling wedge. Buy GBP ORD. Buy GBP JPY. Sell GBP USD if it touches here and goes to the downside. USD JPY. Haven't got that much experience with GBP USD JPY, but the way it's looking is climbing up, right? Got this resistance point here. I would blue lines over the red line. I would don't go on a 1 minute chart, Robert. I even just remove it so I don't get too comfortable with it. Yeah, there you go. What would my bias be here? So I had a little support here, touched here, bounced here. I genuinely don't know. I don't know. I really don't know. I'd have to wait to see what that materializes. But I've given you predictions here. So if I'm wrong on after I come back, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. If I'm right, I'm right. Either way, I still need to backtest more. I need to backtest more. I need to study more. But also live trading, like I just need to live trade like there's nothing. I didn't come into trading to be some analyst or some shit like that. You know, I came into trading to make money. You know, I don't want to. I don't mind working for someone, but it's just I know the benefits of trading. You know, just being able to provide for yourself, like just being financially free is just the ultimate goal. Honestly, like once you have that, everything in life just comes out of the way. So much freedom you give yourself. So much freedom. So I need to properly understand what I need to get right. Yeah. But yeah, that's me done. It's a shame I couldn't place any trades because my broker's being a weirdo. But yeah. I guess we'll leave it at that. I'm gonna stop this at the same time. So in 3, 2, 1.